I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you at night on my darkest fears.
Hey guys, this is Daystan Gaming YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about Samsung's Z Flip 3 leaks. So let's get started. So as we know, all foldable smartphones by Samsung, Huawei were launched this year with a vertical folding design, and now it looks like Samsung is working on another model of foldable smartphone likely to be dubbed as Galaxy Z Flip 3. Yes. So, well, there is no official confirmation regarding the name of this upcoming foldable smartphone, but it raises speculation why the device will be named the Galaxy Z Flip 3 instead of the Galaxy Z Flip 2. Probably it will be an attempt to make it synchronized with the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Okay, so let's talk about the leaked specifications or the rumors of this upcoming foldable phone. As per a recent leak by a Vietnamese Twitter-based tipster, the specs of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 have been revealed. Going by the same, it looks like the next generation foldable smartphone, which could arrive with a 6.9-inch display with a relatively smaller punch hole cutout and slimmer bezels as compared to its predecessor. As we know that the original Galaxy Z Flip came with a 6.7-inch display and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, this upcoming model is believed to be arriving with a larger display and a faster refresh rate of 120 Hz. Previously, we have come across reports that this next generation Z Flip model will sport a larger external display, but there wasn't any word regarding the exact screen size. Now the tipster hints that it would be 2 to 3 times that of the original model, which means that it should be larger by 2.2 to 3.3 inch. Yes, and adding to this could also mean that the external display could be smaller than that of the Motorola Razr with an external display measuring 2.7. Okay, so talking about the details of the display, it looks like that this upcoming smartphone will flaunt an UTG display, meaning an ultra thin glass, and it is tipped to ensure better durability. So let's talk about the battery info. The Z Flip has been leaked about its battery information, that it looks like that this device will get power from a 3900 mAh battery. However, its actual capacity would vary between 3700 to 3800 mAh battery. For now, the details regarding the processor, camera and memory of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 remains unknown. As it will be a flagship phone, we can expect it to arrive with an Exynos processor in some markets and Snapdragon 875 SoC in some others. Probably it could use the upcoming Exynos 2100 processor that is believed to be more powerful than the flagship Qualcomm chipset. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Smash the bell icon, comment for your feedback, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.
We're running in the jungle of love.